Authentic Chicken Karahi, a spiced, meaty masterpiece explained. Imagine a sizzling pan, fiery red tomatoes melting into bubbling oil, and bone-in chicken soaking up the intense aroma of crushed garlic, green chilies, and freshly ground spices. That's the essence of chicken karahi, a dish so bold, so unapologetically flavorful, it doesn't need bells and whistles to make an impression. One bite, and you'll know why it's the crown jewel of Pakistani and North Indian cuisine. Chicken karahi isn't your average curry. It's rustic, quick to prepare, and traditionally cooked in a karahi, a wok-like pan that gives the dish its signature depth and smokiness. But what makes it truly stand out is the purity of its ingredients and the way they come together with no shortcuts, no cream, no complex marination, just the right technique and timing. The base is simple: tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, salt, and freshly crushed black pepper. These everyday ingredients are cooked with bone-in chicken until they release their oils and reduce into a thick, spiced masala that clings to every piece of meat. There's no water added. The moisture comes from the tomatoes, and that's where the magic lies. It's a dry-ish curry with intense flavor and bite. The beauty of chicken karahi is how it's both a comfort food and a celebration dish. It's served at roadside dabas, at family dinners, and on special occasions. You'll find regional variations across Pakistan and northern India. Some add yogurt for richness, others garnish with julienne ginger and a squeeze of lemon for that extra punch. But the core idea stays the same: bold, clean, and fiery flavor with a meaty soul. For best results, always use bone-in chicken. It adds depth and richness to the sauce. Cook on high heat but stay close, the dish demands your attention. Don't drown it in spices. Let the black pepper, garlic, and tomatoes shine. Fresh coriander and ginger slices at the end offer not just a garnish but a final layer of aroma. Pair it with hot naan, tandoori roti, or even plain basmati rice, and it transforms into a soul-satisfying experience. Add a chilled glass of lassi or a quick onion salad, and you're all set for a feast that tastes like home and adventure at once. Have you tried making chicken karahi at home, or is it still waiting on your food bucket list?